It's morning. This is about 8 o'clock or so. I'm literally just waking up. Like I'm actually waking up from sleep. My housekeeper have come to wake me up. She has come to disturb me for one or two things she needs for the house. So I'm up. I can't go back to sleep. I've been wanting to do one video since that's what I'm going to do now. This is today is 27th or 28th. It's Sunday anyways. What are my other phones? I want to go and there's this yam I bought some yams. I've always been saying for every yam you buy, you have an extra yam depending on what you do with the yams. So today I want to not just do somebody that says something without actually doing it. I want to do it. So what do I want to do? I want to go and I bought 5 tubers of yam for 7,500. I want to plant 1 tuber of yam. I want to get back my 7 tubers of yam so that it will be as if um, I did not buy the yams actually. So that's what I'm going to do today. Today I want to go and cut 1 tuber into sets. I don't know how many sets I'll get from that 1 tuber. So I'll go to my kitchen and get that done. Is that Prince Will? Yeah. You come and video me on. So I'm in my kitchen. Let me get the yams. Come and video me. I'm going to flip the camera. I'll give my cousin. I'll give him the camera. Let him say hi to the camera.
Hi, good morning.
Okay. So I'll give him the camera. Let him video me. Let me continue from there. So this is our 5 tubers of yam we bought. To get more tubers of yam. Now the only thing is that I cannot plant this on the ground again because the rain is going. If I plant it in the ground, it will not grow, or it will grow, but it will not do well because rain will soon stop. So I want to plant them in sacks in my house. I want to plant them in sacks in my house. So why I'm choosing to plant in sacks is because I can easily wet them from my house rather than planting them far away where the farm is, and I won't be able to get water across to it. Then I'll be stressing myself. If you check out one of my videos, some of the things that make farming very expensive is your source of irrigation. What's the proximity of your farm to the source of irrigation? If it's costing you so much to get water across to your farm produce will be expensive. So I'm planting just around my house in sack bags because I can easily just maybe put a hose from a tap across to where the sacks are, or I can just get a bucket of water and just wet them, because anytime October, November, the rains will stop. So it's how we wet the yams manually that will determine its survival. So I will not plant all. I bought 5 tubers, 7.5, right? So I want to convert one to seed. I think there's a post I posted just today, this morning, or yesterday. Would I call it yesterday or today? That if you eat all your yams, you won't have seed to plant. So we're going to eat 4, and this one more tuber. And this one more tuber will give us other tubers. Give me, where's knife?
Those ones are not sharp.
Hmm?
They're not sharp.
Where's the sharp one?
Inside yellow color. Inside.
Oh, they gave the other guy.
Mm.
Okay. The guest. So they say this knives are not that sharp. That we have sharper ones, but they're giving it to one of my guests in my apartment. So, because these yams are going to stay long, I won't cut them too small. Come closer now. This yam doesn't seem like a very good yam. Almost like as this what I am. Now divide this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to get 10 yams from this yam. I bought 7. I bought 5, not 7. I think I'm making the mistake because I actually paid 7,500. So I'm mistaking 5 tubers of yam for 7 tubers of yam. Actually, I bought 5 tubers of yam, not 7. So I'm sure I made this mistake somewhere again along the line. And that 7 yams is about to give me 10 yams. Follow through. I'm going to be showing you everything I'm doing about these yams. I need where are those buckets?
Me too.
Those rubbers. This thread is supposed to be inside. Oh. I'm not sure I have enough sacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need 10. So no more sacks. Do I have sacks inside here?
Mm.
So that's where this episode ends. Let me call this end of episode 1, planting yams in sack bags. The whole process will take about 7 to 10 months. If I see how this one fares out there, I'll post episode 2. I've already shot the video to when I planted them in the sack bags. So if you want to see it, just let me know that you want to see it in the comment section, then I'll be more encouraged to work on it. But if I don't feel encouraged, I might just dump the project. But so far, we have planted it, but you will see that in episode 2 if I feel people want to see it. But if people don't want to see it, then I'll just leave it at this.